Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another GeoFS fun flight. Friends, I'm hoping this one is the easiest yet. I'm going to give you some extra clues at the end of the video, so make sure you stay watching that long. Friends, I'm also going to play some awesome tunes from the Audio Hero library. Don't forget, I have Audio Hero because it is part of my TubeBuddy subscription. If you have not tried TubeBuddy, there is a link in the description, and you can try it for free. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so hopefully now you can figure out where HLModTech is and add it in the comments below. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.